When it comes to video marketing, Wistia is a platform you've likely heard of. But before you make any decisions on whether to buy, there are 7 key things you need to know about Wistia, especially when compared to other video hosting solutions like Vimeo or YouTube. Stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to show you what makes Wistia stand out and where it may not be the best fit for your needs. First up, Wistia offers incredible video analytics, something that many other platforms like YouTube don't deliver to the same depth. With Wistia, you can track everything from engagement rates to heat maps, showing exactly where viewers are dropping off in your videos. This kind of insight is crucial if you're looking to optimize your video marketing strategy. If you're serious about growing your business, you're going to want this level of insight. And it's easy to use, making it perfect for marketers at all levels. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Wistia's video player is incredibly customizable, allowing you to tailor the design to match your brand. Unlike platforms like YouTube, where you're stuck with their standard player, Wistia allows you to change the color of buttons, controls, and even the overall player style. If branding is a priority for you, this could be a deal breaker. The third thing you need to know is how easy Wistia makes video marketing automation. It seamlessly integrates with CRM systems like HubSpot, making it perfect for nurturing leads. You can use their turnstile feature to collect email addresses right within the video player, allowing you to build your email list on the fly. If you've been frustrated by other platforms that don't integrate as smoothly, Wistia might be the right fit for you. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Wistia isn't the cheapest option out there. While platforms like YouTube are free, Wistia's pricing can be a bit steeper, especially if you're a small business. The pricing might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're just looking for a place to host videos without all the extra features. But with Wistia, you're paying for a premium service that comes with powerful tools for video marketing. Next, Wistia also offers incredible video SEO tools. For example, with their customizable video SEO settings, you can control metadata, add transcripts, and ensure that your videos are indexed properly. This gives you a massive advantage when compared to YouTube, where SEO is largely controlled by their algorithms. If searchability is important to you, this feature will be invaluable in getting your videos seen by more people. Another thing is that Wistia's platform is built for businesses. They're focused on helping companies use video as a tool for lead generation, customer education, and brand building. Unlike YouTube or Vimeo, which serve a broader audience, Wistia tailors its features specifically to business needs, making it easier to use video strategically for growing your company. And finally, it's important to know that Wistia gives you full control over your videos. This means no ads, no distractions. Unlike YouTube, where ads can pop up at any time, Wistia keeps the viewer's attention on your content, ensuring a professional experience that's all about you and your brand. This can make a huge difference if you're using video for your marketing funnel or customer onboarding. If you're still on the fence about whether Wistia is right for you, remember that you can try it out for free by clicking the first link in the description. This free trial will give you a taste of what Wistia has to offer and some exclusive benefits when you sign up through my link. So if you want to give Wistia a go and see how it can elevate your video marketing efforts, make sure to click that link below. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits and get the best free trial available.